Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and earlier today I came to you all live. This is my downtime. I have my water here, and y'all, I have been doing just a whole bunch of stuff for me. Y'all, I just came back from the store and I picked up some stuff for my hair. I just washed and conditioned my hair. Like I said, today is spa day, and one of the things that I told you all that I really, really love is this. I was coming to you all, telling you all about how I grow my hair. You know, y'all was asking, what did I do, and things like that. You got to pay attention to what your hair is saying and what your hair needs. And that's pretty much, to make it plain and simple, what is your hair doing that you don't like? That's how I answer, the questions for myself. I give you a good example. Y'all know right now I don't have, maybe I say 10-15% of texturizer just left on the top. Everywhere else I can cut that texturizer off. Like I said, I just got through washing and conditioning my hair. Rosemary water. Rosemary water is one of the things I keep telling you all about because I really like it. When I was on my hair journey and I wanted to thicken up my hair, I gave this a try. After doing research on it, I gave it a try. I stuck with it. I didn't just give it a week. I didn't give it a month. I gave it some months. Okay, y'all. This stuff been with me through natural hair and through texturized hair. And this is by As I Am, and this is rosemary water, y'all. Rosemary water. My hair is freshly washed and it's just tingling my scalp. It is tingling my scalp. Now there's a few things, y'all, that I'll be sharing with you all today. Now because that is tingling my scalp, y'all, I'm not going to apply the sulfurate. Okay, usually I will wash my hair, grease my hair, but I am letting that feels like medicine on my head. And the sulfurate that I have is original. It's original formula. It's a hair and scalp conditioner. If you got dandruff and stuff like that, I don't have dandruff. I just like the way it feels on my scalp. So from time to time, this is medicated. So from time to time, I will oil my scalp, especially if I feel like, my head is itchy, my scalp is itchy and things. But because I changed my whole routine out, you all, and kept, just kept being on top of my hair as far as why is this happening, why is that happening, that's how you'll know what your hair needs. My scalp was always still itchy. In some of the past videos I have told you all, I said, man, why my scalp is itching like that? What's going on with my scalp? It could be for a couple of reasons why your scalp is itching, but I found out what that was by doing something else that my hair was needing. So I'm just going to be talking to you all while I moisturize my hair and tell you about some of the products I bought. Now, how my scalp stopped itching, yeah, I was, buying the grease and everything, but then I liked it. And I still do. That's why I bought, some more today. And for this small thing, y'all, it was $5. For the small thing, you used to get more than that. Anyway, y'all, so I said, okay, something is going on. What I changed was my shampoos and conditioners. I was not aware at that time that, just regular shampoos, you buy shampoo to wash your hair. But sulfate-free conditioner is best for your hair. And what made me look at that and say, maybe I need to change my shampoos is because when I would wash my hair, especially with a texturizer, y'all, it seemed like it took forever for me to work that moisture back in my hair. It took forever. It took too long. So I said, wait a minute. You know how you wash your hair and then when you go to rinse it and you get it squeaky clean? Yeah, it's squeaky clean, all right. It done got all of, the oils and the moisture that some of that should have stayed. So my hair became really, really dry and brittle from that. So when I started looking into it and saying it's taking too long to get this moisture back, it should just take. My moisture product should just take because I got clean hair. No, that was one of the things I was stripping the moisture with, out of my hair with that regular, shampoo. So when I switched to sulfate-free shampoo, that changed a lot. It wasn't drying out my scalp and things of that nature. It made my moisture, put it like that. It made the moisture come back in my hair, better. But I still had a little bit of itchy scalp. So I said, what is going on? Now I did see the difference. When I used that sulfate-free shampoo and stuff, I did see the difference. But I still had a little bit of itchy scalp. So I said, what is going on? And that's why I was, using, stuff like that. And I was like, wait a minute. What am I doing that makes my hair, feel like that? If the hair done got softer and it feels better from switching out, to sulfate-free shampoo, then what's going on? Then, y'all, that's when I started really looking into the water. Huh? I said, all that stuff is in our, lines. Have you ever came and had to walk on your street and they turned off the water? When they turned it back on, you seen, they say run that water for a minute, and all of that, maybe brown water, whatever comes, through. And then they put stuff in the water, so we can drink the water. We don't drink, the water that comes out of our faucet. We don't. We just don't. We filter and buy bottled water and stuff like that. That's just us, y'all. That's just us. So when I did switch that out, I said, let me get some bottled water and start washing my face and my hair with that. So I would put it in a bottle like this, y'all, and I would spray, whatever I'm washing, either my hair or my face. And I would wash my hair with bottled water, but then I got this epic pitcher. And I started filtering my water out like that, and I'm telling you, sure enough, the itching on my hair, on my scalp stopped. We had already started getting our hair to take the moisturizers in that we was using, and it wasn't as dry after, washing it because we switched out the shampoos. When we switched out that water, still today, y'all, I fill my bottle up with filtered water, or you can get purified water, you can get bottled water. But when I switched that out, I have not had any problem at all. I know y'all be saying when I be coming to you all with these videos and stuff, what do you mean give your hair what it needs? What is bothering you about your hair? What is your hair not doing that you want it to do? Maybe that'll give you clarification on what I'm saying. So now, y'all, this hair is tingling. It's feeling good. It's nice and clean. It's tingling. At first, I was going to blow dry my hair because I wore my hair today in its natural state, and y'all, I fell in love.
Y'all, I am loving this. I am loving this.
Y'all know we do exactly what we want to do with our hair. For the longest, I said I want to wear my hair somewhat soft, curly, the Anita Baker cut, but in a natural. So this morning I got up, did what I was going to do, and I wore my hair natural, and it was all outside and everything like that. But the way that made me feel was wonderful, y'all. The way that made me feel was wonderful. And so I said, you know what? I just washed my hair. I said, if you're going to sit up here and be wearing your hair like that, you still need to moisturize it and things like that. So it wasn't no sense of blow drying it. So I didn't even just mess with this. I just put that to the side. I gotta go get some more water, y'all. Let's see. But I like putting my water in a pretty glass, really with fruit on the bottom of it, but I ate up all the fruit. And so I'm just drinking the water now, y'all. This is how I get my regular water down. Trying to, drink it out of a regular glass and stuff, it's not going to do it for me. I don't know, it just seems like it make it harder. Sometimes I have found maybe 1 or 2 workout cups that will help me, take the water down. But when I just take this, fill it up all day, I can get so many of these down, y'all. I couldn't tell you how many of these I have drank already in this short amount of time of getting up out of the bed. I I'm gonna go get me another one. I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, I am back. Got my little water here. Got my little fruit on the bottom. And I'm telling you, I really do like this, y'all. I like this method. I'm seeing that I'm getting more water down this way than, just grabbing just one of these and drinking it down. And this is 8 full ounces, y'all. I done went through so many of these. I done went through them like that. If it was just a regular cup or something like that. This works for me. And that's what I'm telling you all about your hair. What is going on with your hair? A lot of people think when they're losing their hair, they're just losing it. But they're not looking at what could be the real issue behind you losing your hair. A lot of us say, oh, I'm getting older and this and that and that. And that may be true. But there's different things that y'all can do, to help stimulate that hair follicle and get blood flowing to that area. Massage your hair, tap your scalp. Look into all these different things, y'all. I have showed y'all a whole bunch of stuff on this channel, and I'm telling you all this stuff works. Let me show you all one of my favorite products. And I'm going to read it off to you why it's one of my favorite products. Okay? Y'all, Hawaiian Silk. I love Hawaiian Silk. This is a Miracle Worker 14-in-1. I'm just going to read some of the things, down here. When I first got this product, y'all, I thought it was BS. I was like, But I was really searching for something that was going to help me with my hair and the things that was going on with my hair. Now I'm going to read it to you. It's a Miracle Worker 14-in-1, no drip activator, moisturizes hair, defines curls, softens hair, adds shine, soothe dry scalp. Remember I told y'all I had, dry scalp. Reduce breakage, strengthens hair, for healthy weaves and braids, repair chemically damaged hair, non-greasy, detangles, increased body, and thermal protection. That's all that right there, y'all. All that right there. Like I said, when I first got it, I thought it was BS. But it said a lot of the things that I really wanted for my hair for it to change. I usually dilute this down. I have a little spray bottle that I use. But after washing my hair, and I want to put that moisture back, y'all, it looked like a lotion. I just spray some of that in my hair, put some of that in my hand, and I just go through my hair. Y'all, after getting up this morning and seeing what my, hair looked like picked out, my natural hair picked out. Look at that, y'all. After getting up this morning and seeing what my natural hair looked like picked out, you all, I want to wear my hair like that. I had patted it in place because it has grown, but my roots are taking over, so I am just going to let it keep growing. Y'all know I'm going to keep cutting off the sides because that's what I like. That's what makes me happy. I like cutting off the sides and the back. So I have the moisturizer in my hair. This will curl up my hair too, y'all. This will curl up my hair. Now look, by now I hope you all have thumbs up, commented, subscribed, typed the video, because you're letting me and YouTube know that this content is helping you and that you like this type of content, because I will keep bringing it to you all. Y'all have seen my hair journey from natural to texturized, back to natural and texturized, because that's what I am now, just on the very ends of my hair. I'm texturized, everything else is natural, and it's growing like crazy. I am going to get in y'all face and let y'all see, what this is going to do. Look at what it's doing to my hair, y'all. It's doing great by my hair, and I did do a product battle between the Hawaiian Silk and the Curly Custard. Y'all said y'all couldn't even tell the difference when my curl pattern showed up. So pretty much, y'all, I am just going to let this soak in my hair. I am going to finish having a beautiful spa day, you all. You all have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I left out you want to know. And y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, guys, we have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, y'all, we are doing good. We're walking the weight off. Your girl body is looking good. Don't get it twisted. It's looking good, y'all. The only thing we're doing is walking. We're drinking our water, y'all. It is not laboring. We're still eating what we want to eat. This is not laboring. So, yeah, go and support both channels, y'all. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Come on back and see what this hair is going to look like, because y'all, I done transitioned to really like wearing my own hair. Y'all, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. It's going to be so pretty when it dry, y'all.